Hey guys, Ryan here. Today I'm going to show you every single combo I have, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. Let's get into the video to show what I mean. Let's first start with a side dash, then do a ghost punch, do 3-1s, and do hunter's grasp. Front dash. If you miss, do leave a violent stream, flower water then. And if you miss the dash, what? Do hunter's grasp after the 3-1s. Then do a down slam and do hunter's grasp. Next one is do a mini uppercut after the 3-1s. The one without midair. If you miss, and just do the 4-1s, side dash, and do hunter's grasp. Then dash forward, do leave a violent stream after you side dash. If you miss, try it with flowering water. Then do a down slam finisher. If you miss with hunter's grasp, I'll teach you the next one. So you start with a dash, do a mini uppercut, leave a violent stream, hunter's grasp. If you miss, do flowering water, but not the mini uppercut version. Then just wait until your dash is ready. If you miss the wall combo, do hunter's grasp and then do this. The next one is going to be like this. Start off with a dash. If you miss, do a mini uppercut, flowering water, side dash, hunter's grasp, and then do leave a violent stream after the 3-1s. And then wall combo in a tree. If you miss, do hunter's grasp and then do this. You just need to do 4-1s so they won't get annoyed. Start off with a dash and then 2-1s, then emote like let's go or T, and if they counter, quickly do an M1, down slam, and then use hunter's grasp. But you cannot use the dash. You need the dash attack. You need to do the side dash. Then once you get close, do 3-1s, leave a violent stream, jump, and then do flowering water. If you miss, do a mini uppercut after the 3-1s, and then do hunter's grasp. If you miss the wall combo, I'll teach you the next one. But Ella is still here. So you start off with a dash. Use 4-1s, side dash. Use hunter's grasp. Okay, Ella. Dash forward. 3-1s, flowering water. If you miss the dash, do a side dash like I did without missing. Do leave a violent stream and then do hunter's grasp. If you miss, here's how to do it. Do a down slam finisher, and then I'll teach you the next one. They're like so many combos I have. So you do 3-1s, down slam, use hunter's grasp, lean, dash attack, 3-1s, and if you miss the mini uppercut, just do the same. Leave a violent stream, flowering water, and then use hunter's grasp. Do a down slam finisher after hunter's grasp. And I'll teach you so after you do a side dash and a front dash to get close to them, use a side dash and then do a ghost punch of 3 and 1s. And then if you miss your down slam, try it again, Hunter's Grasp, and then dash forward. If you miss your dash forward, you just need to do 3 and 1s, and then do a emote to see if they counter. If they hit you, do your evasive and run back to them, and then do a side dash after the final M1. Use Hunter's Grasp, and then use Leave a Wyvern Stream. After that, do a wall combo. And then if you miss your dash forward, this is actually the final one. So first you gotta start with 3 and 1s. Use Flowering Water, side dash. Use Hunter's Grasp, and then dash forward. Leave a Wyvern Stream after the 3 and 1s. Do a down slam wall combo. If you miss, do Hunter's Grasp, then do this. Come on. Okay, bye guys. Part 2 is coming in 3, 2.